Gold, now we are based on 1 hour chart and we want to see how we can trade. Okay, if we refer back to my last video when the price was somewhere around here, we see we are more interested in the sell. If we get a correction, we can look for sell. Okay, as we can see the price dropping here with but we don't have any sell setup. Now we want to see how we can trade. Alright, so as we can see the correction become quite complex, or maybe we call it quite big. Okay, now what we have here is quite I mean the correction quite change, and we need to make a decision how we can trade, as right now we don't have any trade setup. Okay, now the question is whether the price from here we need to expect to move up or at least come to this level, because last time we see we had this correction, we see we are expected or interested the price to drop here, but now everything changed. Okay, because from here also there is a possibility price come to this level then reverse, that means this one will be finished, or the price come from here or drop or come to this level then reverse, then from there move up. Okay, any of them can happen. Later based on the forward chart I will explain why. Alright, now we want to see how we can trade this one. For me, I let the price drop. Okay, if the price come to somewhere around here, when it come to this level, that means if I get the correction from here, okay, and if I see the price come to this level somewhere around here and I see it's not really moving fast and it's correcting, then if I get any sell setup I will look for sell. Alright, but how about this? If I get the opportunity, that means if the price come to this level or lower, if I get any buy setup I will get this one. Okay, that means if the price come to this level we are expecting some more lower, then if we get any buy setup we take the trade to this high. When it comes to this high somewhere around here, we check the chart. If we see the chart is moving fast, alright, then we just move the stop loss to break even and let it go. But if we see the price come to this level, is not moving fast, is correcting, we take out the trade, then we look for this sell. Alright, that means the possibility price from here move up or come to this level, reverse, any of them can be happen here. As I describe right now how we can look for buy and sell within these two. That means if we get a buy, come to this level and resist continue, then it's good, we have this trade already. Okay, but how about the another option? How about if the price come to this level and correct this way? Okay, if we get this type of the correction, the deeper correction, then we don't need to look for sell, we will look for buy. That means this type of the correction can take a longer time. Okay, and this is how we're going to trade for this chart. How about the price if from here reverse? If we from here reverse, okay, I don't think we can get any trade setup for buy, then we just let it go to this level, then from there we make a decision, this one can continue or we need to look for the sell setup. Alright, that's means if you want to look for buy, let the price drop some more somewhere around here or at least to this level, then we make a decision. Taking the sell from here is not a really good idea. Okay, just now we have we described how we going to trade for this one. And if we move to forward chart, okay, the reason all these things can happen, because as we can see here, that means if the correction drop to somewhere around here, this move can be finished. But now the question whether it drop to here or here or here, I mean this low or break the low, any of them can be happen. And if it's happen and any different case happen, we will have a different type of the correction here, because right now we have 1, 2, and this is a 3, the last one. This one can be complex of 1, 2, 3. I mean the last move of this one can be somewhere around here or lower, or how deep we are not sure. That's why if you want to trade for this one, if we get the buy, as we say the price come to again, as the price come to this level, if we get the buy, we can look for buy, because we are not sure how low this one can go, how deep this one can go. Okay, maybe the price come to here and the reverse, that means this correction finish, or maybe the price come to here, reverse back, then from there again, that means this correction can be more complex. The reason is, if we refer back to this one, if I draw this line here and if I draw this line here, okay, As we say, if the price come to this level, now the correction and the flat we have is different. But if it come to this level, I mean, again, if I just come to here, from here, the price reverse, the flat we have, we call it different name. Whether from come to this level or this level, also is it similar to what right now we have. But if the price break this low, that means the type of the flat will be different. Okay, in this case we expecting the price come to this level, reverse. But in the first case, which I draw here, sorry, which I draw here, for this case the price can come, there is a possibility price come to this level, reverse, come to here, reverse, or come to this sorry, come to this low, at least to hit the lowest point, then reverse. This flat, for whether, I mean, if the price from here reverse or here is similar. That's why this move we are not sure how deep it can go. But if the price break the low, then we will have a different type of the flat. If we refer back to Elliott wave, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, that's why based on all the different case, different flats and different correction we have, we are not sure this last move or this one how deep can go, whether come here or lower or break the low or even go much more deeper. Okay, we are not sure. That's why if we move to 1 hour chart, again, if the price come to this level, reverse. If we get the buy setup, we get. But when it's come to here, if we see the price is moving sharp, we give the trade. I mean, we just move the stop loss to break even and let it go. But if we see it come to this level, it's correcting, then from there we can look for sell. Okay, and the last option, if the price correcting similar to what I have here, that means not moving, then from here for sure we need to look for buy. I mean, we shouldn't look for sell. Right now we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart. If I get any update, whether for buy or sell, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.